Hello, YouTube. Today we're going to talk about 5 easy habits that can make you a millionaire. You can start from humble beginnings, but some financial habits will make you more successful than others. There are certain habits that millionaires do to build their wealth that maybe other people may not even consider. So today you're going to learn how to have the mindset of a millionaire and make better financial decisions. No millionaire ever got rich by saving money in a bank account. More than likely, this will wind up losing you money due to lost opportunity cost and inflation. The average inflation is about 2 to 3% per year, and the average bank account only gives you 0.04% interest on your balance, which is not very much. So just by keeping money in a savings account, you're losing money. Now, you can avoid some of that loss by signing up for a high interest savings account with Wealthfront. Wealthfront spelled Wealthfront, which pays 0.3%, and the link is down below in the description. There are certain habits that all millionaires share, and here are some of the top five. So we're going to be going through some of the top five. Number one, psychology is one of the most important things when it comes to investing. You want to be able to make the best situation out of any scenario. You will see a lot of new investors buy a trending stock at a high price due to FOMO, which means fear of missing out. This is usually a huge mistake because you'll buy at a much higher price than if you just waited a few hours or days. Usually, when a stock is already up 20, 50, 100% or more, it's going to fall pretty hard and you'll end up losing a lot of cash. I call this holding the bag. This is not how millionaires should act to find the best deals. Ideally, you want to find stocks that are on a discount, also known as strong companies like Apple, that are down maybe 20 to 30%. I know everyone loves Apple stock, but this is not financial advice, so please don't take my financial advice. You need to have a positive mindset when everyone else is screaming sell, sell, sell. You should start strategically buying good, strong companies when they are significantly down in price. That's how you truly build wealth and can come out of any recession or come out, correction, a winner. When bad things happen to you, you can either see the bright side and stay positive, or you can let it get you down and distract you from your goals. Being positive is a choice, and it will become a force of habit when you become a proper investor. When the market crashes and people become negative towards the idea of investing, you need to take advantage of that and find opportunities where you can make money. Number two, you need to stop caring about the opinion of other people. Everyone is at their own stage in life and will go at their own pace. It's never too late to be a millionaire, and there are hundreds, if not thousands, of ways to become a millionaire entrepreneur. Never let anyone stop you from investing, whether it's in property, stocks, or even something as crazy as NFTs. But we'll get to those later. Most people spend their entire lives putting off their dreams because they're afraid of how other people might judge them. I've gotten to where I am today by sharing my knowledge and, most importantly, asking for help when I needed it. There's so many different ways to help yourself become a millionaire, but you'll never know unless you ask and seek out the help. People may call you greedy or say you're money minded, but I don't think there's anything wrong with saving for a fulfilling retirement. They may warn you of all the risks of taking a new job, starting a new path in real estate sales, or even opening up a new business. You have to ignore all these people, as people will call you worse things when you evict tenants or fire employees. Unfortunately, being judged is part of being successful, so you better get used to it. You have to be tough in business because if you won't make millions, if you don't, you can't please everyone all the time. And you weren't put on this earth to be a people pleaser anyway. You have to decide who is worth your time and who is just wasting it. There's a lot of people who will come around in your life and they'll just waste your time. And number three, put in the time and energy to achieve your goals. There's no quick way to become a millionaire. You just have to put in the time and effort. At first, you may have to put in overtime to your regular 9 to 5 job so you can make extra money to start a side hustle. For instance, saving to buy a screen press or start a screen printing business, making shirts and hats. If you don't put in the time, then how are you going to grow your business? You have to value your time, especially when you're growing your business. You need to know when to start hiring others to manage the day to day aspect of your business. That's going to be the only way you're going to have the time to scale your business into the millions. Otherwise, you're just going to be stuck running the day to day of a store and you'll never grow past a certain point. You want to have multiple locations as opposed to one. You'll never run a successful business without having a good, reliable team around you either. You can only do that by learning to rely on other people to run certain aspects of your business. You'll never become a millionaire trying to do everything yourself. That's way too much to do. This means putting in the time to train others to do jobs that you're doing. You need more time to grow your business. If you can duplicate this process, your company can grow into the millions, if not more. And also, you know what? Don't be afraid to trust people to be able to do the things that maybe you're not capable of doing either. Otherwise, you won't grow as either. It won't grow your business as well. Four, don't get into bad debt, such as credit cards or loans. This country is drowning in debt, and a lot of people are behind on their bills. You'll never be able to get ahead if you're constantly trying to pay off debt. Credit cards, car loans, most student loans are all form of bad debt. Only spend what you can afford, which means complete the spending that you have in your bank account. So I'm not saying that you don't, shouldn't get a credit card. A credit card is great for emergencies and unexpected expenses such as hospital or vet bills. A credit card is also a great way to build your credit score and increase your available credit. You just have to be careful and pay it off before you pay any interest. You never want to pay the bank any interest because that means the items you're buying are costing you way more money. It's just that simple. Now, on to the topic of student debt. I'm not saying it's a bad idea to go to college. Doctors, lawyers, and professionals should all go to college and get their degrees. But you don't need a college degree to make a good living. Going to college costs you tens or even thousands of dollars in debt. This is going to take you many, many years to pay off, even if you have a high paying job. Most people are stuck paying off their student loans way into their adult life. I know many people who are in their 40s, 50s, and are still paying off their college loans. That's a long time. Student loans are the only type of loan that cannot be claimed under bankruptcy either. It's going to stick with you for your entire life until the day you die or pay it off. All you're going to learn is how to work for somebody else and how to make them richer. There are very few entrepreneurs that go to college, and the few that do usually drop out. I know a couple. We have a lot of entrepreneurs that don't have college degrees. Some of them don't even have high school diplomas, but they have businesses that are achieving amazing things. The diploma doesn't really mean as much today as it did back in the day. You're better off saving your money unless you're going to be a doctor or the type of professional that needs that type of degree. There are plenty of jobs that can train you on site or trade school and will teach you skills to build a successful career. Trade jobs are a good example of this. You can become an electrician, start welding, do auto repair, and many other jobs in many fields are available. Most of these trade school programs can be completed in as little as 3 to 12 months and have nighttime classes available as well. So if you're still working at a 9 to 5 job and you want to start your own business doing something like that, it's available to you. A lot of these careers pay 60 to $120,000 per year, depending on the experience. Trade schools are a great way to learn new skills as well, and possibly even start your own business using those skills. Number five, you're going to have to learn to make sacrifices. This is going to be the hardest step of all, but in order to be successful, you have to make some sacrifices and do something different that you're not willing to do before. You're going to have to sacrifice a lot of time and energy in order to be successful. You're not going to be able to take long walks in the park, long vacations, or spend a lot of time with friends. You have to put in long hours in addition to your working your regular 9 to 5 job in order to make your business really succeed. This may mean working 16 to 20-hour days in order to get your business off the ground, but I guarantee you it is worth it because it's for yourself. You have to take the time, you have to take every penny you earn as well and reinvest it back into your business so it can grow as fast as possible. Nothing comes easy in life. You just have to work hard and sacrifice your time, energy, and do whatever it takes to be successful. If you want to be a millionaire, there aren't any excuses, and it's going to take a lot of hard work to get there. I believe in hard work and taking the time to make your dreams a reality. Anyone can become a millionaire if they put in the time to make it happen. You also have to sacrifice the bad influences around you. This may include some of the people you hang out with that don't have the same motivation as you or the same, type of um, goals or dreams. You want to surround yourself with people who are smarter than yourself and successful. You always want to be learning. You can never gain too much knowledge. Knowledge is power and can make you lots of money. But again, you have to put action behind the knowledge that you gain. I surround myself with accountants, lawyers, attorneys, real estate investors, and other entrepreneurs who are running their own business. You are a reflection of the people you hang out with. So make sure you hang out with the right people. Throw yourself out there and meet new people. Networking equals worth, and you may never know if you'll find a great business partner. Networking events are a great way to meet other people that are like minded as yourself. And also, you never know who you're going to meet there as well. You may meet somebody worth 10 million, and they may be able to, invest in your business and make you a million yourself. All it takes is a little bit of effort and getting to know the right people. Well, I hope you learned a lot today, and please like and subscribe down below. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to check out the store down below and get your 2 free stocks with Webull. Have a great day, and I hope that this helped you. And if you have any suggestions for anything any other topics, please let me know. Okay? Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.